Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. Many of my students to achieve B-twist very fast, even in one day. Let's go. For the B-twist, the first thing you need to have is the butterfly kick. The second thing you need to have is the music. I'm just joking. Let's go. First is very important for B-twist. Take off. How you take off for your leg, and the kick, and the twist, and the landing. So today, the one technique is very important we want to talk about to make your learning B-twist fast is the kick. Many of the people, they think about the twist is first important. This is nothing wrong. If you don't have a good twist, you cannot to have a good landing. So you cannot exercise for B-twist. But without a good kicking, your B-twist is not look like correct. Okay, for example, it will be just go twist. See, I just got a twist, but my body look more straight. So that is not correct. The kicking is the first important technique we need to learning. Let's go. So open your arm. So put your head go down, and then your head have to look 45 this way, and then your kick your right leg this way, just behind you. So let's see this. Ready and go. Right? That's the movement you have to repeat. So how you can get a result from this technique? Follow me. So I just go, look, you say, and just repeat two, and just repeat. You can do circle, or you can do a line, and then once you get this comfortable, do faster and faster. Just repeat faster and faster. Oh, a little bit easy. Okay, I will show you how this thing work. I do 3 times, I'm getting more and more speed, and I don't really take off my left. I just try put my both feet together, see how my body works, how the speed help me to achieve a B-twist very fast. Let's go. See, I don't really take off my left leg, but the speed help me. Once you have that speed, you naturally to make your 2 legs together, they twist automatically. And you can land it. Even you don't need to take off your left foot, you can have enough speed for a twist and landing by your feet. Repeat as much as you can to achieve your big twist quick. Thank you for watching, and take care, my friend. I see you next video.